arbitrationagreements.org. Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic that many of you might find quite interesting, whether or not it's illegal to share text messages in the United States. Before we get started, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial legal topics that can save you time and money. The matter of sharing text messages might seem like a trivial topic at first, but it's crucial to know the legal backdrop of this issue in our digital age. So grab a cup of coffee or tea and let's have a relaxed chat about this. Now imagine you receive a text message and you think, can I share this with someone else? Well, the legality of sharing text messages generally revolves around the concepts of consent and reasonable expectation of privacy. So the answer is not as straightforward as it might seem. In the United States, federal law, particularly the Electronic Communications Privacy Act, sets the baseline for how privacy is handled with respect to electronic communications. According to this act, the interception of electronic communications without the consent of at least one party involved is prohibited. This means that if you are part of the conversation, generally, you are within your rights to share that text message. But here is where things get a tad more complex. Many states have their own laws regarding this, and a significant number of states, roughly 12 or so, require the consent of all parties involved to legally share the conversation. This is sometimes known as the two-party consent rule. And it's not just about legal statutes. You also have to consider the ethical aspects of sharing private conversations without the other person's knowledge or consent. Now, to sprinkle in some statistics for you, according to a study conducted in 2021, almost 90% of Americans use their mobile phones to send and receive text messages. That's quite a significant portion of the population engaging in this form of communication. And interestingly, around 40% of people in the age group of 18 to 29 share screenshots of their text messages with others. In the face of these stats, it becomes even more vital to be aware of the laws and the repercussions that might follow if one does not adhere to them. Remember, while sharing a text message may seem like a simple act, it's layered with legal and ethical considerations. It's always advisable to tread carefully and perhaps get consent before sharing text messages, especially if you reside in a state with stringent privacy laws. For more information on this topic, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. Also, what do you think? Should it be legal or illegal to share text messages with others? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.